Hello again, hit takers. Thank you once again for tuning in to another of my airsoft videos. Today I've got a Scope Cam gameplay video for you, which I'm very excited about as I'm showcasing Geoff's 0.45 gram biodegradable BBs and some new upgrade parts from ASPUK. I'll have a review video of the BBs next week, but make sure you check out the links in the description below and let me know what you thought of this video. Excuse me, please, Marshall. Oh my God. That was immense. I think that was a gun hit. Got him that time. No, he was running. There's one over there. Oh, through the middle of them. Got him. Someone here in the middle, I think. Oh, got that person. As the fog of war descends upon the game area, it becomes harder and harder to see the targets. The target's wearing those brightly coloured red armbands, who very shouldn't be that difficult to see. There's one. There's some branches in the way of this guy. Oh, got him. There's another one down there, I think. Ah, the wind caught that one. No. Talk about exposed. This is going to be a difficult shot through the bushes. Oh, did he call that? Yes. Well done. Oh. Oh. I thought I missed him. So, I'm not going to complain about that.